Faking from a bad trend with business of a fucking hawk. Lurking through the topics, but I'm just out with my nigga raw. Going on a mission, my ambition to do a nigga in. Sweet talk to the dirty nigga, come and fucking with the shit.